In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the followers option on your Facebook account. Whether you're looking to expand your audience or simply interested in engaging with more people, this feature is a great way to allow anyone to follow your public updates. We're going to go through the process step by step, ensuring you understand every part along the way. Let's start with the mobile app. Open the Facebook app on your device. You'll want to tap the menu icon. On iPhones, you'll find it at the bottom right corner of your screen, while on Androids, it's located at the top right. Once you're in, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. You'll then follow that up by selecting Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, we're heading over to the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on Followers and Public Content. Here, you'll find all the controls for who can follow you and how they can interact with your public post. Think of this as your hub for managing public interactions. Now let's activate the followers feature. Under the section labeled Who Can Follow Me, you're going to select Public. What this does is enable the follow button directly on your profile, allowing people who aren't on your friends list to follow your public posts. It's a quick change, but one that opens up your content to a wider audience. While you're still in the same section, you might want to consider tweaking a few more settings to suit your preferences. For instance, you can decide who gets to comment on your public posts. If you're looking for broader engagement, selecting public here is a good move. Also, under the public profile info setting, choosing public allows followers to see your bio and profile picture, giving them a better idea of who you are. Lastly, if you'd like to receive notifications when new people follow you, adjust the notification settings to public. Now, if you're using Facebook on a desktop, the steps are slightly different but still straightforward. Begin by heading to facebook.com and logging into your account. Click your profile photo in the top right corner and proceed to Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. Over on the left sidebar, you'll want to click on Privacy and then Public Posts. Just like on the app, under Who Can Follow Me, select Public to enable the follow feature for everyone. Once you've done that, you can further customize your settings as you would on the mobile app. Adjusting things like comment ranking, notifications, and profile info is just as simple. Additionally, if you want to preview how your public posts look to others, you can go to your profile and click on View As, and there you have it. Following these steps will ensure that your followers feature is activated, allowing a broader audience to engage with your content. Enjoy sharing and connecting with